My name is Simon Hoerstrup. I'm a professor of regenerative medicine of the University in Zurich, and I'm the founding co-director of a new center, translational center called the Wyss Translational Center, which was based on the very generous donation of Dr. Hans-Jörg Wyss.
So my name is Dave Mooney. I'm a core faculty member at the Wyss Institute in Boston, Massachusetts, and also a professor at the engineering school at Harvard University. My laboratory researches the use of biomaterials to control the trafficking and activation of cells in the human body as an approach to therapies for a wide variety of different diseases.
My name is Johanna Eisenberg. I'm a founding faculty of the Wyss Institute at Harvard University. My background is chemistry and material science. I'm teaching in the chemistry department, and I'm also professor of material science in the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences at Harvard University. My area is the other side of biointerface, which is, I'm not doing a lot of biology, but I'm trying to develop methods and new materials that can interface biology.
I came into the field of biointerfaces by my background as a medical doctor. I started working in surgery, and I saw the materials we implant, as prostheses for example, are absolutely not ideal because they are foreign, they cannot grow, they do not integrate. And so my interest started in putting biology to the material, that is to say, create materials or implants which are cellularized, which are loaded with cells, which more and more are living and can adapt to the organism and ideally even grow with the organism. So this is the field of regenerative medicine and tissue engineering, and this is my main interest in the field of, or in the environment of biointerfaces.
So what's drawn me to the biointerface field is that I'm very interested in developing new medical therapies. And if you look at the human body, it is filled with interfaces. Cells are interacting with materials, cells are interacting with other cells. Within tissues themselves, there's interfaces between liquids and solids and gases. So if we really want to develop new therapies for the human body, we need to be able to understand and exploit biointerfaces, and that's really what's drawn me to this field. What I hope to achieve with my research is to develop new therapies to promote tissue regeneration and new immunotherapies that can treat a wide variety of different diseases where the immune system is dysfunctioning.
The field of biointerfaces is by definition multidisciplinary. There is bio, but there is a way to address biological organisms. To me, it is a challenge not only to understand how biology operates, but also develop new materials that are capable of interfacing with biology. My interest in this field comes from the fact that there are so many features in biological organisms that we as material scientists don't know how to simulate and reproduce. These in particular involve ability to create materials that respond to environment, that change their function, change their properties depending on environmental cues, and how these materials can be developed. We really hope that we can learn from the way nature creates its own materials.